Hi, this is my second code. I did the same thing with the pictures and item in the drawable project. And for my code, it's just a straight up code. I made a variable and I assigned the text view to the welcome. And after that, I assigned them to the image, like for the pictures. I just did a reference to the image hello and the welcome to the text. Then I made an argument using one-click listener and with an if statement, and that's just pretty much the code. And and that's how the code it's gonna run. Just waiting to build up. This is the code, and, and this is just my code. Thank you.